So as you can see, it's green now. So you're just gonna go Alt Control F2. It's gonna ask you to log in. You're gonna hit kiosk, user, enter. They give you this weird property. It's capital P. Move, my hand's dark. Hold on. There we go. So like I said, capital P, I already did that. R03RTY. It's gonna say try it again. There we go. So now from here, you're going to hit up, and it'll bring up some old commands that you may or may not have used. So what I did was, instead of doing all that sudo BS, I went to uftc netconfig. You don't have to type that out. You should just be able to hit up and down on your keyboard. Hit enter. It's going to bring up this prompt for wireless. But instead, you're going to... Oh, it just came... That's weird. Anyways. Oh, there it is. Still not connected. Oh, and it went back to connected. So, a way that you can kind of check is you hit right on the keyboard. What you're going to do is you're going to, so previously what I did is I plugged in my laptop to the Ethernet cable here, and I went to the settings for my wired connections, and I clicked on details, also property. Maybe different on your laptop, but the whole key is to make sure that you get all of your IP addresses, your netmask IP address, and also the gateway. And then you're also going to get like the DNS domain. DNS domain you could find under properties also. That was about it. 10-4. Come on in and I'll switch out with you. I'm already in the place where you get water. Let's see, so once you enter all of that info in, you're going to check that box at the top. Sorry. There we go. You're going to check both of those boxes. And then to exit, what I did was I just hit enter on both of these, and then it brings you down to this little wonky thing. And then to get out of it, you're just going to go to reboot, reboot. It beeps and boops and whatever. Hola.
Came over to your office and was like, I'm reach for a bottle of water, and I'm like, oh, these are
Oh yeah, don't do that, yeah.
I told you just in case.
Yep.
That was very nice. I said, you have a bottle of water? They're like, oh, these are for the guests. I'm like, oh, okay.
Oh yeah, yep. And mine came back online. Hey, how's your training going?
We finished a little early today.
Nice.
So that's exciting. It's pretty tedious.
What's it on?
So we're changing our revenue management system
Oh.
to an upgraded version. So
Oh, so it's still going to be Fosse?
no,
Or is it
it's called
POS?
OneDeal.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a Marriott.
gotcha. Trying to make a video for my coworker who's having issues with her time clock.
Yeah.
Yep. There we go.
How are you feeling?
Oh my gosh.
Taking off the breathe. Cool.
That was my client. There we go. And just to make sure that it worked, it's going to say not connected for the time being. So if I just hit, what was it? Nope, that wasn't it. No. I messed this up. Anyways, if you do the following steps that I made and done, you should get it.